Hello, my name is Alan Mills, owner of Falcon Global Limited, Zenator, and your course leader for a series of video modules that supplement classroom learning in commissioning and startup with API RP 1FSC First Edition. Each module sets out learning objectives and represents the range of topics covered in the course. Project development will go through all of the familiar phases, from appraisal, selection, development, execution and operation. But of course, commissioning and startup isn't just at the end in the operational phase. No. Systems completion takes place in appraisal, in selection, in the development phase, execution and in operation. It is in every single phase of the project's life cycle. Next to preservations, the internal cleanliness and dryness of systems, specifically piping and vessels, are the biggest ticket items to affect commissioning and startup. Hence will impact the overall project schedule.
The scrubber at the Dry Fork station is unique.
This is the largest reflex circulating fluid bed scrubber in America, volume-wise.
There are smaller power plants that use a similar scrubber, but the one at Dry Fork station is much bigger.
Don't forget, if you have any questions, email csu@falconglobal.net. Stay safe and happy commissioning.